I create this viral AI dancing video with just my smartphone, and creators like you and I are using this to grow their social media platforms, be it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's get started.
So I'm going to click here to add the image. This is the image here. I've added it. So when you add the image, you are going to be giving ChatGPT a prompt depending on what you want. So for me, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt of this person and also change the outfit. Give me a prompt to generate someone like this and change the outfit for me. If maybe you want to create a different image of this person wearing different outfit and different hairstyle, you can tell ChatGPT. As for me, I just need one person for the purpose of this tutorial. I'll click here to search for it. Got it. Here's a clean reusable prompt you can drop into claim it blah blah blah. Okay, a 3D baby character, dark brown skin, blah blah blah. Pick the style, this thing. So this is what we are going to be using to create this person. These are optional outfit swap examples. For example, I can actually click on the outfit to change it to any of these. I'm going to continue this with my iPhone. So because my Android does not generate an image for me, we can actually use Clean AI, Leonardo AI, and also Midjourney AI to create our video. Create an image with this prompt. So now say in 9.16 aspect ratio. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know where I click. Let's click here to start doing that. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna click here to save the image. Wow, this is just so amazing. Let me check the image I just saved. Wow. After getting this image, the next thing for us to do is for us to go to TikTok. Let me say pop Selinukam. Yeah. Let me click on Selinukam. She always have some kind of crazy dancing style. Okay, let's check. I'm going to use voiceover to complete this video because I don't want to have any copyright on my channel. So 1 + 1 is 2 local. Don't do anything local. Good of the battle. So that's a song that she's dancing with or to. So that's what we are going to be using. So I decided to move because of copyright. Just click on the share button, then click to download the video and save it to your phone gallery. I'm going to open a new tab and type mp3 converter. Okay, I'm going to click here. I'll just come here to choose the file, photo library, and when I click here, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here to convert the audio. So I'll click here to convert, and after converting, we are just going to be downloading this to our phone gallery. So it's done. So I'm just going to click here to download it to my files. So after downloading, I'll click on open and download, and when I open, okay, so this is the video that we just downloaded right now. The next thing is for you to go to your Clean AI. You can either go to your Play Store if you are using Android or App Store if you are using iPhone, and search for this Clean AI and download it. So when you are done downloading, the first thing we are going to do here is to make sure, the first thing we are going to do is to make sure we sign in So I just click on Google to log in. So after everything, you swipe to this side and you are going to see these old options. You have seen image to video, text to video, multi-element, avatar 2.0. So what you need to do is just to click on this motion control. You click on that. So when you click on that, just give it a little time for it to come up. As you all can see on my screen, that's load up, right? So the very first thing we need to do here is to make sure we upload the image, right? So I'm going to select from my camera roll. I'm going to click on allow. So when you come here, just make sure you select the image you are going to use. So while we are waiting for the image to be uploaded, we are going to click here to add the video. So I'm going to click here to upload the video. I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. So while we are waiting for the video to be uploaded, we are going to type in a prompt, and this prompt we are going to be saying that the character in the image uploaded should replicate the exact motions, okay, exact motions, steps, and expressions as being shown in the reference video. So we are going to be using this prompt, and I'm going to put my full stop. So make sure you copy the exact prompt. The character in the image should replicate the exact motion, steps, and expression as shown in the reference video. So when you come here, you are going to see standard, you are going to see standard, you're going to see for professional. So I'm just going to click here. Let's click here to generate the image. So it's saying that the queue for the free plan is busy now. I should upgrade for a faster for I should upgrade it to for it to start very soon. So what it means that they say that the free plan is busy now. So it's either I come back to try later, or I purchase it in order for me to generate this video. So I'm just going to come back later to continue with that. So I'm just doing it for the purpose of this tutorial. For those that want to be using this to be making money, it's good you purchase this. Just 1,840 naira, and trust me, you are good to go. All right.
So guys, now that you know how you can use this app to create this viral dancing video, go and start implementing it. If you feel like you want to start content creation, you can actually use this way to make more money without ever showing your face. People are charging money for it, but I'm teaching you it for free. Start implementing it and you see a skyrocket views in your channel. Bye.